Welcome back, guys, to the YouTube channel. So today we're gonna go meet up with Brandon. He got a new trunk, so we're gonna swap it out. I'm gonna go head out to Kissimmee. It's about an hour away right now. Updates on the Lexus. It's on jack standstill, waiting on the spindles. It's getting done by Lowlife. As I stated it in another video. The video hasn't been uploaded yet because I'm still waiting. It's about maybe 2 weeks already. They said that some of their workers got COVID, so I'm still waiting for that to be done. And it's already the new year. Happy New Year to all the fans and supporters. Hope you and your family are doing well. At the moment, it's been a hard year. We went through a fire. We survived it. I lost my mother recently. It's pretty hard. So, and I'm far from my brother, so it's difficult. So some of those can relate and know the feeling. But let's get back to this, and I'll get back to recording when I meet up with Brandon. So yeah, check you guys out in a few. And we made it to Kissimmee. Now we're with Brandon. This is his truck, Civic over there. Yeah, we're gonna see his IS300 out. He just purchased the Altezza trunk with the carbon fiber garnish. Should get sponsored by Red Bull. I was drinking them. Oh wow.
That's good though, it's like simple.
Yeah.
Like gotta redo the whole fucking back interior.
Sheesh.
It's just the
Yeah, you gotta pop out the clips, and it looks like there's just 2 screws that holds it.
okay, but I thought it was gonna be a little bit difficult.
Yeah, just 2 screws right here. Looks like 10 or 12s.
The bitch is gonna be like, trying to make the holes for the wing.
I thought they came with holes.
Nah, that's a stock trunk. No wing on it.
So why don't you just wait till you get it to the body shop and let them do it?
That's how I wanna do it.
Why is there a spider there? That nigga dead. You got a whole spider.
Where?
Dead. With a kid.
That shit just sitting in the shop for forever.
That nigga died. That nigga's legs is mad long for no reason.
Just snug it.
I should have washed it, bro. You gonna take it for a car wash?
Yeah, try that side. I'm not gonna close it though, so we put the fucking...
Facts. We gotta bring it down on what?
I adjusted it because lining's weird.
Oh, what the
Do that
hell?
shit after though.
Shit looks nice.
I like this.
Yeah, that shit's nice. You happy?
Yeah.
It's for sale. Come pick it up. But by the time this video is up, it's already sold.
Probably for sale. I get tired of this shit in 2 hours.
Word. My car's up for sale though. Anytime.
It's been up for sale for like
Word.
a year since you first got it.
Word. So, oh damn. I don't know if I can do this right now, but it was a couple clips. I'm just trying to show them how we did it. So it's all these little annoying ass clips that you just pop out, and they look like this. So I'm sure you can pop them out without being afraid. They won't break. And this is the harness that we took out. So it's 1,
I think this covers a lot better than the other one. Let me keep this one.
3, 4.
Break it.
Oh wait, no, three plugs, 4, 5 plugs, and a couple clips. So it's 5 plugs, and we took out the what was it? The trunk latch. This guy over here. Damn, this shit is mad high.
Cut and it's on the right side.
Word. We could just move it on this side.
I'm about to compare it. After take it off.
Alright, we already took one screw off. So there were what, 210s? 210s, yeah. But he has plastic, which I don't have. I don't think I have it. I swear, my car.
Harness. We gotta do the harness too.
We got the harness. Shit. Oop.
I forgot about that.
I forgot about that too.
Try to pick my windshield.
Word. Ooh. So after we put it in, we put all the plugs in, we had to adjust a few things since some of them didn't like match up. The clips didn't match up, but we moved it, and now the trunk latch, what is it called? Trunk latch.
It's the latch cable.
The latch cable, there you go, was connected to the right hand since this is meant for the right hand drive, the Japan one. Now we gotta swap it to the left hand side. I don't know how we're gonna take these out since there's no space. Speak very much. I think I got a low voice. I wasn't blessed with a deep voice.
Damn, look at that.
Nah, I was already finished. I don't know, bro.
Fuck that shit.
What about the ones over there? The only thing that we did notice is this was different. The latch was different. So like this little thing, I don't know if you can see it. I don't know what that is, but that wasn't attached to this trunk, so we had to take out the cylinder from the old trunk and put it in. Why he got the trunk? I don't know, but nah.
It's a good deal.
Yeah, it was a good deal.
$400
And
with the wing, garnish, emblem.
True. And now we gotta figure this little peepee over here.
Yeah, I found this one.
Oh.
Like more of a curb so you can see if it works.
Yeah. Just don't break. Everything's done. I think we're gonna test it out and see if everything works. Oh, who's busting my ass again? Oh, there's something in there. My man's got mad colors. So we got like a
Rubik's Cube.
we got a orange, red, I think, silver, black, yellow, silver, black.
Yeah, it's off.
It's off.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, by a lot. Fucking in. Test fit. Oh, looks like we lined it up correctly. Fucking knocks.
You know what?
Mother.
This one lines up perfectly right here on the edge. That one's a little bit more
does
in,
it?
right?
Yeah. Shit. Yeah.
I'll bring the whole back a little bit. I don't give a shit.
Go ahead. As long as the nut like sits flush, it won't move. I don't think so.
It's just a bit though.
So I fucked up. I dropped the nut in there, and now Brandon's mad at me. So now we. Well, I'm not doing shit. He's struggling a little bit. That would have been smart to do.
Yeah, but just like the angle.
Yeah.
Like how this. Like we need like a smaller like 10.
We put 3M tape, so now it's secured. Things lined up.
Yeah, I'm scared to do the same thing you did.
If you do it, then I don't feel too bad. So update, we got the screw out. We removed the trunk, and then we was able to get the screw out. Now we got one in. Now I'm missing one more, and that should be it. The GoPro died, so now I'm using my phone. And then hopefully we can do this. Oh, he could do it. And we should be done. And then we gotta put the carpet back in. And get the wing. Alright, so now it's done. It's finished. All we gotta put it back is the carpet, but that's pretty much the end result.